Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send Tether, that's USDT, the popular stablecoin, from your Phantom wallet straight to your Revolut account in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is easier than ever with the latest updates. Why do this? Well, Revolut lets you hold, spend, or even convert your crypto seamlessly, so transferring from Phantom can help you manage your funds more flexibly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with some Tether in it. Phantom is that user-friendly wallet for Solana and other blockchains. Also, ensure your Revolut app is updated and that you've enabled crypto features. If you haven't already, download or update both apps on your phone. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app and unlock it with your password or biometric auth. Once inside, navigate to your assets and select Tether, USDT. You'll see your balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover the transfer plus any network fees. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial. Head over to your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and copy the USDT wallet address. Paste that into Phantom, making sure it's correct to avoid any lost funds. Step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation screen. Go ahead and approve it. After that, sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your Tether arrive. Pro tip: always use the correct network, like Solana or Ethereum, for Tether to ensure smooth sailing. If you run into issues, double-check addresses and fees, or reach out to support. And there you have it. That's how you send Tether from Phantom to Revolut in 2025. It's all about staying secure and double-checking details. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.